now we're ready to use our compost. And so the way that we want to use it is every year we want to put 1 to 2 inches throughout the garden and or the flower beds. If you put in a new bed, you want to add 4 to 5 inches of compost and mix that in with the native soil. And the reason why you would want to use compost is that in clay soils, it aerates the soil. It loosens it and aerates it. And in sandy soils, it adds nutrients and allows the soil to hold moisture. And the truth is, I can't make enough compost for my yard in this bin, even though it's quite large. And so I have to supplement commercial compost and potting soil and that kind of thing with my homemade. So I use it all up, and I make as much as I can, as much as time will allow. But I use it for if I buy a special plant and I'm going to transplant it. And I also use it whenever I'm planting annuals, blooming annuals, because it really makes flowers bloom beautifully. I use it in more special situations. And if I'm not putting in a new plant or planting annuals, then I'll put it on my rose bush or put it on vegetable garden, and I side dress the plants with it. And I generally do that each garden. I'll take a bucket and I'll put a large handful around each plant, and it really helps.